Now I request very humble, very honorable, very respected Yogesh Munjal sir, chairman of Hero Groups. सर प्लीज़ स्टेज पे आके 2 वर्ड्स अपनी इंस्पिरेशन के अपनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल जर्नी के बताइए हमारे साथ साझा कीजिए सर.
All the great educationists and participants. I am thankful to the organizers for inviting me and talking to you. I don't think I would be able to tell you anything because such a large number of learned people are sitting here, all PhDs and nothing less than that. I am an industrialist. I don't know why in an education summit an industrialist has been invited. While I was coming, I was thinking, is there any similarity between education and industry? I thought there are some similarities. We get raw material from the market and then convert it into a finished product and then sell it to the market. People use it. They like it or not like it. Sometimes they have some complaints also. Similarly, in education, you also take a raw person, convert it into an educated, civilized person, and then sell it in the open. He operates, talks, does business, job, or whatever. But you don't have any warranty. If he achieves something, you take credit. And if he is doing something wrong, you never highlight that person is from our institute or whatever. And lot of new things are coming. You were talking about digitalization and all that. With that, you will get better services, better education, better system. But with the advancement of education, the crime is also increasing. We are producing, maybe I am talking on a different subject. You must have been listening from morning about education only. We are producing angry young men. And I have specially used the person men, not the person. We have to think this is our product, how we can make a product better in all respects, not only in education or degrees or 99.9% marks. They are not sufficient. We are part of this country. We have to improve this country. We have to achieve that developed country's status in 2047. We have to become a Vishwa Guru. One time we had Nalanda and Takshila. People used to come to India for education. These days we are going out for education. And the result is many people stay there, don't come back. Elderly people suffer. I know a lot of parents, elderly parents living alone. Their sons and daughters have gone out and they have not returned. There was a system of joint family that also has been finished. Nuclear families are there. There is nobody to take care of those elderly people. Lot of other things, new things have come. Daily we are listening some crimes against women. Women are not safe. And many other things. So I think this is the right time. We should think of these things also. whatever we are producing, make it better. Make responsible citizens. In our sacred books, Manusmriti, they have said Manur Bhav, मनुष्य बनो, इंसान बनो, इंसानियत आनी चाहिए. तो मेरा I think we must include these things in our curriculum. Adopt those all modern things. I don't object to that. But people coming out of your education system should be a better person. If he is not becoming a better person, we are not meeting his requirement. Whatever may be the problem, road rage has come. There was some joke in that. I think WhatsApp is a big guru these days. Early in the morning, we get a lot of gyan from them. So one of them said, "You can touch my wife, but you cannot scratch my car." लोग मरने मारने को तैयार हो जाते हैं कार में अगर स्क्रैच लग गया तो. क्या हो रहा है, क्या बनेगा, कैसे लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे? तो मैं यही विचार आपको देना चाहता हूँ कि जो भी आप प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं उसके कुछ वारंटी होनी चाहिए. वो एक अच्छी प्रोडक्ट बननी चाहिए. जो आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में से पढ़ के निकल रहा है बच्चा, वो एक अच्छा रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीज़न बने. वी डोंट हैव शॉर्टेज ऑफ इंजीनियर्स, वी डोंट हैव शॉर्टेज ऑफ lawyers, we don't have shortage of doctors, we don't have shortage of teachers, but we have shortage of patriotic lawyers, patriotic teachers, patriotic engineers, and patriotic people. Before independence, everybody was patriotic. Some people were fighting for freedom. Maybe some were doing with peace and ahimsa and all that. The other was Krantikari. But all other peoples were backing them. They were standing with them. They were financing them. But just immediately after the independence, everything has gone. And we have turned out to be anti-national. We don't think about the nation. Whatever we are doing, whether it is beneficial to the nation or not, we don't think. So please create something though that in our institutes we give this Desh Bhakti, we give moral education, we teach them ethics, we teach them to become a better person, we teach them to have respect for women, we teach them to have respect for their parents. Bhutan is such a country, there is no old people home. In India, lot of old people home are coming up. Think of yourself when you are elder, when you are across that age and your children don't look after you. What would be that situation? So try to prevent that situation. There are a lot of other things, but I don't want to take more time. You are waiting for the awards and going back. So with these words, I thank you. And I expect that something on these lines would also come out. Thank you and take care.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. May I now request Mr. Manmeet Khurana ji, founder and CEO, Time to Grow Media, Dr. Sashi Pandey Sharma, co-founder and vice president, Time to Grow Media, to felicitate sir